children, welcome to DAV online classes. Today we are going to discuss about reaching the age of adolescence. In this module we are going to discuss about puberty, physical changes, mental health and hormonal changes. Adolescence is the age which begins with 11 and ends with 19. Here we go, we have to discuss about puberty. Then this puberty ends when adolescent age reaches and ends with reproductive maturity. So here we go, we can discuss about puberty. The human body undergoes several changes during adolescence. In boys and girls differently, body parts will undergoes in many changes. Let us see the changes at puberty: increase in height, change in body shape, voice changes, increased activity of sweat and sebaceous glands, developed of sex organs, reaching mental and intellectual and emotional maturity. So these all are the changes at puberty, means the age of 11 to 19. Let us discuss each and everything. Increase in height. The most common thing that is increasing height in this puberty time. At this age, they will elongate their personal tallness according to their heredity and their physical fitness. Let us count the average age in years. The percentage of height will be measured for boys and girls differently like this. During this chart, we have here ages 8 to 17 and here the average ages of girls and boys is given. Let us see how to calculate the average calculation for full height. Here we go, one formula: percentage of height by percentage of full height at this age into 100. For example, a boy is 9 years old and 120 centimeters tall. At the end of growth period, he likely to be, we have to substitute the percentage 120 centimeters and by 75. The full height at the age, it will be remain in that chart previously shown into 100. And the average height is that is equal to 160 centimeters. Let us see changes in body shape. Boys, the shoulders become broader and the chest become wide. The muscles of the body grow permanently. Girls, the region below the waist become wider. The muscles of the body become strong. Voice change. At puberty, the voice box or larynx become to grow. So boys develop regular voice boxes. Boys have a deep and hoarse voice. The larynx is visible. For girls, the larynx is hardly visible from the outside. Girls have a high-pitched voice. So at this age, those are baby singers. Their voices change rapidly and this is about a permanent change. So another important thing we have to discuss here, that is Adam's apple. The growing voice box can be seen as the protecting part of the throat can call Adam's apple. So the enlargement of this Adam's apple is responsible for the voice change in boys. Sebaceous glands. The secretion of sweat glands and sebaceous glands, that is oil glands, increases at this age of puberty. Many young people get acne and pimples on the face at this time because of increased activity of these glands. And the face is also becoming oily. That is a regular one. Glands. Sweat glands and sebaceous glands. These glands release their secretions through ducts. Endocrine glands. These glands release hormones directly into the bloodstream. So they are also termed ductless glands. Here the activity of endocrine glands and sweat and sebaceous glands activation due to this puberty age. Development of sex organs. Boys, the testes and penis developed completely. The testes also began to produce sperms. Girls, the ovaries enlarges and eggs began to mature. Also, ovaries start releasing matured eggs. At this age, the sexual hormones are released, and these symptoms are known as secondary sexual hormonal effects. Reaching. Here, three kinds of things are common at this age, that is mental maturity, intellectual maturity, and emotional maturity. It is the time in one's life when the brain has the greatest capacity of learning, that is mental maturity. The changes in the person's way of thinking, the person feels more independent than before, and it is also known as intellectual maturity. A person may feel insecure while trying to protect themselves, and that is emotional maturity. Here we have to capable the emotional feelings at this age securely. Characters. Boys. They began to grow facial hair, that is mustache and beard. The hair also began to grow on the chest, under the arms, and the regions above thigh or the pubic regions. Girls. The breast being to develop, the hair begins to grow on the chest, under the arms and region above the thighs, that is pubic areas. Hormones. The change which occurs at adolescence are controlled by chemical substances or called hormones. Boys, the testes began to release male hormones, testosterone. This causes hair growth on the pubic areas. Girls, the ovaries begins to produce the female hormones or estrogen, which makes the best developed milk secretion glands or mammary glands developed inside the breast. The production of these hormones is under the control of another hormone is endocrine gland is called pituitary gland. It is a master gland. Reproductive functions. There may be endocrine glands or ductless glands in the body. The testes and ovaries secrete sex hormones. The sex hormones are under the control of hormones from the pituitary glands. Pituitary gland is a master of all glands. Pituitary gland controlled by all hormones. Let us discuss about that. Hormones from pituitary stimulates testes and ovaries to release testosterone and estrogen. Testosterone for males and estrogen for females. Estrogen for females. Releasing in bloodstream and reaches parts of body. This is target site. Stimulus changes in the body. Reproductive phase of life in human. In females, the reproductive phase of life begins at puberty and generally lasts till the age of 45 to 50 years. Then, one ovum matures and released by one of the ovaries into one ovum matures and released by one of the ovaries once in about 28 to 30 days. During this period, the walls of uterus becomes thick so to receive the egg. In case it is fertilized, then it is conceiving stage. Then that egg is receives as fertilized egg, it being developed as a fetus. If that egg is not menstruation. When fertilization does not occur, the released egg and the thickened lining of the uterus along with the blood vessels are shed off. This causes bleeding in women, which is called menstruation. Menstruation occurs once in about 28 to 30 days. It is a continuous process through this puberty stage in a girls, and it will take a long process with the 45 years. Then after 45 years, this stage will be stopped. Then it is known as menopause. Stoppage of menstruation is termed to menopause. Initially, menstrual cycle may be irregular. It takes some time to become regular. So, this is about our topic, and I hope you understand about these topics. In our next module, we will meet with sex determination, hormonal changes, and chromosomal functions, and as well as some social movements to the environment at this age, mental health. Until then, children, be happy, keep learning, keep getting knowledge. Thank you so much.